Oh man, this is absolutely amazing. The first law office in the United States. Oh man, this place is so cool. There's apparently a mid-19th century log cabin across the Delaware over in Salem, New Jersey that needs a little bit of attention. So we're going to head over there, take a look, and see what we got. We made it to the Historical Society without any issue. When I saw the log cabin for the first time, one thing stood out before anything else. Between the logs, they used a Portland-based cement as a filler, and this should be removed and replaced with a lime-based material. Two of the long timbers across the top are in pretty bad disrepair and should probably be replaced at the first opportunity. Also, the corners need to be tightened up a bit because you have plenty of ants working their way through. But in general, the building's in very good shape. Another long log around the door frame. This timber was also a little bit decayed, and we can replace that one as well. Unsurprisingly, 2 or 3 of the timbers around the door, down near the foundation, they're also badly deteriorated. They'll actually be relatively easy to replace. I mean, there's a very simple method to do it without causing the entire building to collapse. One sign that the Portland may be causing a lot of this damage is the fact that the Portland remains even after the log has deteriorated. I see it a lot in brickwork, I see it fairly often in stonework, and here it is in logs. They also needed the roof and shingles replaced. Walking upstairs in the loft above, I saw that they had a plywood underlayment, which is not really a bad thing, but there are steps we'll have to take to ensure that the roof and shingles don't deteriorate too quickly. The first step I take in any restoration job is I'll go take a walk through the woods. I don't go to the hardware stores, I don't call subcontractors, I will go straight to the woods just to see what type of materials I have to work with. This particular white oak tree is already earmarked for a project near Dover, Delaware in the next few months. However, there may be enough leftover pieces to provide at least some of the timber for this log cabin. I'm going to propose that they use white oak shingles instead of cedar. These shingles have been laying on the ground for 2 or 3 years and they are still incredibly strong. And if they are installed properly, they will last just as long, if not longer, than cedar. So I'm going to go ahead and type up my proposal and estimate, send it over to them, and whether we get this project or not, don't worry. We have plenty of timbers to hew, we have plenty of stone to lay, lime to burn, and so much more coming out on this channel. So make sure you stick around and subscribe. Thank you for watching.